Hello, welcome to this tutorial on Certi4's transactions feature. Need to generate invoices, receipts, or proof of payments for crypto transactions? I'll show you how to create professional invoices and verified transaction statements from blockchain transactions. Perfect for freelancers, businesses, or anyone needing crypto documentation. Let's dive in. Visit certi4.finance/app/transactions to start. I'll use an ERC20 token transfer as an example. Enter the transaction hash and select the network, Ethereum in this case. For the role, I'll choose Payer for a proof of payment as the sender. Payee is for a receipt as the recipient. Also note that native is for transactions of the chain's native currency, like Ether for Ethereum. Click Fetch Transaction to load all details instantly. Browse the customizable fields to choose which transaction details to include in your invoice. I'll select block number and block timestamp for transparency. In the description field, I'll add IT services to specify the payment purpose. For fiat currency, select EUR. Certi4 calculates the token price and USD to EUR rate based on the transaction's block timestamp by default. You can adjust to a specific block number or opt for current market prices for flexibility. Ready to generate? Click Export Basic PDF. The PDF includes the transaction hash, parties involved, details like amount and fiat values, and your selected fields, perfect for accounting and record keeping. Now, for a verified transaction statement, toggle Enable Message Signing at the top. Click Connect Wallet and select MetaMask. At the bottom, see the message to sign with your address under Connected EVM Wallets. The signing process mirrors our crypto statements tutorial. Check the link in the top right. Sign the message with your wallet. To verify, copy the signed message using the copy icon, go to Verify Signatures, and paste it into Message to Verify. Add your MetaMask pair. Enter the address and signature, then hit Verify Signatures. A green, valid, confirms it's correct. For verified proof, with the signature valid, click Export Verified PDF. This PDF includes transaction details, the signed message proving ownership, your signature with a valid status, and a verification stamp, creating immutable proof of your address ownership. You can also export in CSV, Excel, or JSON for various use cases. To create an on-chain attestation of your verified PDF, see our second tutorial video, linked in the top right. The process is similar for transactions. That's it! You've created basic receipts and verified transaction statements with Certi4. Whether you're a freelancer needing invoices or a business requiring payment proofs, Certi4 makes it simple and secure. Need help? Check our website footer links. If this tutorial helped, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and comment on features you'd like next. Thanks for watching.